hanging over the car falling down.
What is happening? Christmas trees. They're all falling.
And bins.
And bins, like literally everyone's bins were falling down. Like today in the morning when we looked.
Look at tree, man.
Look at the tree. In the morning when we were, when I was awake, literally our garbage bin fell down. Look at this. Look at the wind. I don't know why we have to, but I just saw a person's window was just open slightly. Oh my god, that's weird. It's just wet. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is very hard. Like literally. When we start.
Stay away from the tree, man.
Yeah, stay away from the tree.
Okay.
There's a lot of stuff.
Look this side.
Oh my god. These are.
Oh, leaf, everything is blowing away.
Oh my god. Not many people are going today. Not many. They're just scared of the wind.
Yeah, they said, stay home, man. You don't need to be. You have to. When I need to go, I'll go too.
But we will, like,
you need to go.
We're going quickly.
Very urgent. So that's we're going out to picking the people and bring it back.
We're going to take my friends to my house.
Break wire.
Oh my gosh, that's a broken wire there. Where's is that sound coming from?
Ambulance in the back.
On the back? How do you know?
I know.
Oh, I see it, I see the flashing lights. You can see it. See those? There is. Go, go, go. Is the ambulance behind us?
It's far away.
Oh man, it's probably far. Yeah, it could be her. What happened to the navigator? It's going big. Look at the navigator. It's flashing.
You want to hear the noise on the wind?
Yeah. Oh, close it! Close them! Close them! Close them! Close them! Those are too loud. I don't like loudness. Oh.
Look like you. Oh, look, fence.
Oh my god, fence is broken. Is there any more fences that broke? Oh my god, you can hear that. Look, no one's here. Look at another fence broke. Look, no one's here. No one's here. Look, everything empty.
People staying home, man. It's not good to be out today. Ambulance coming. Let's see where they're going. I'll give him this space where he want to go. Oh, they're going this way. Okay, they're going there. Look, this is coming.
Guys, ambulance. It's the ambulance. You can see it. Wait. Yeah, there it is.
They can go from here. If they give sound, you mean you have to move.
Yeah.
If they don't
give sound, you can like
okay.
But when they give sound, you
now
move. Everyone move out the way.
Now they move.
Move out the way. Dad, go to the other side of the road. Oh, good. Oh wait, it went the other way. So yeah, no one needs to move.
They went to Broadfield area.
We're going to Broadfield.
No, they went, not we. We going to Stanmore.
Yeah, we're going to Stanmore. Where my... I can't see it. Oh my god, garbage bins are falling down.
Oh no, how many fences? Look how many fences.
Oh my god, how many fences are broke? Like, they're so broken. This wind is kind of making our sisters and my sisters getting scared because of the wind. Oh my gosh, that's broken. That is all, like literally, this is super, it's supposed to all happen in America. This is not supposed to be happening in England right now. This is supposed to be happening in America, please. Why didn't... Wait a minute.
He's an Arsenal friend, Dean.
Yeah, last time we were there.
Man. You need to make the video.
I forgot, I didn't see him. I knew at him, I know. No. Tesco Express, let's go, Esco. That's Esso. Ridger's favourite friend. That's her favourite friend, Ridger's. Tesco Express.
And what?
Oh, McDonald's, man, who's having a Happy Meal here?